So yeah, this is the inspo. And how do you feel kapag naabot mo na yung dating pangarap mo lang? By the way, this is Kay, your food and travel enthusiast. Let's experience pho and tara eats! Before, takot na takot talaga ako mag-chopstick kasi sobrang clumsy ko and I don't think kaya kong makapag-grab ng food using it. Pero now, tada! Things change! Kailangan lang pala ng practice and syempre, ang ating panlaban lakas ng loob. So, let's go and taste pho! First bite, thank you Lord. Ito na yon, ang katuparan ng ating mga pangarap. At this point, hindi pa rin nagsisink in kung ano yung lasa niya. Kaya one more time, yung Bon Appetit, Your Majesty version. Tada! Just to recap, ano daw uling lasa? It's a burst of flavor na comforty and savory. Say, Slay, I hope I made you proud, self. So, I'm sharing with you how does it sounds at what is the feel inside the Nahang Asian restaurant. By the way, this is complimentary. O, diba naman? So relaxing and calming. It reminds you to slow down kasi life is too short. Kung umabot ka sa part na to ng video, comment down below kung taga saan ka at ano ang favorite mong may sabaw na dishes. The serving size is really malaki and you can do it for sharing. And then next, tikman naman natin itong Keep pancake nila. So this is Nahang Asian Kitchen somewhere in Ho Chi Minh. And again, ano daw uling lasa? Bon Appetit, Your Majesty version. Teka, bakit parang confused tayo dyan?
Crepe, hindi siya pancake.
That's it. Sabi ng may-ari at sabi sa menu, it's a banana pancake. But when we taste it, it's banana crepe and not pancake.
Ano lang siya, flour and dough.
So, para mapagbigyan lahat ako ng magdedesisyon, it's a banana crepe pancake. I hope nag-enjoy kayo and definitely nagutom. When you go to Vietnam, you try this at Nahang Asian Restaurant. That will be all. Ta-ta!